name is Layla and welcome to my beauty page. I am going to teach you a easy eyeshadow tutorial today, how I got this eyeshadow look. So if you like this look, then stick around. Today I'm going to teach you how to build your own customized eyeshadow palette and an easy everyday eyeshadow that anybody could do. So first I'm going to take these colors that I picked myself, so you can go on my website and pick out your own eyeshadow colors, or you can just use these. So what you're gonna do is you pop them into your magnetic palette. So this is Oak, it's a medium brown color, and then I'm gonna have a darker brown color, and we just pop it in like that. This is Hot Chocolate, like a shimmery cocoa brown color, and this is Venus. This is a shimmery kind of purplish tint to it. Now that I have my eyes primed, I'm going to take this It Cosmetics loose powder and use my dry sponge here, and I'm just going to set my eyelids with this. I'm going to start with this medium brown color called Oak, and this is going to be kind of like my transition shade, so it's just going to go in the crease, and I'm just going to windshield wiper this just like that. If you have hooded eyes, you can go further up onto your brow bone, but even though I don't have hooded eyes, I still like to go a little bit further up just so you can see it. And I'm using this light fluffy brush, so it's very easy to blend. Now I'm going to go in with my Hot Chocolate right here. So this shimmery brown color, and I'm going to use this flat brush and just tap that on the center of my eyelids. This is why I like to do my makeup after my eyeshadow, my face makeup, because with these shimmery colors, sometimes there is fallout, and it's just a little bit easier to clean up if you don't have makeup on yet. Just build this up to whatever pigment you want, and I just like to put it right here on the lid. I love that these brushes are double-ended because I'm just going to go ahead and flip it around and go into this lightest shade right here called Venus, and put this in the inner corner of my eye. This is just to brighten and open up my eye, which is going to give the illusion that my eye is bigger than it is. And I like to just put it right here in the tear duct. This is the perfect size brush for it. You're gonna want a really flat, small brush to get in there. You can purchase this through the link I'll put in the comments or in the description. Also going to put it up here right underneath my brow bone, just to kind of give that a lift. I'm going to take this angled brush right here. I love that it's super small and has that angle, and go into this darkest shade, brown shade. This is called Trust. And I'm going to use this for my eyeliner. And then I'm going to go in the inner corner with it, just like that. I went ahead and filled in my brows, or one brow on this side, with Trust and this angled brush again. So I'll show you how I did that over here. I'm just going to go into Trust and just start right here, because this is where I want my brow to go a little bit higher, or have the illusion that it's higher right there. Beginning of my brow, and just kind of clear that out. And then fill in any gaps just like that. Going to be trying out these eyelashes. These are the Kiss So Wispy. Okay, and now I'm gonna do my whole face and then I'll be back. So here is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think and if this was helpful for you, and make sure to like and subscribe.